I wanted to show you today how I quickly go about editing a thumbnail for YouTube. So I'm cleaning up the YouTube channel so it looks more professional. And at the moment, I just had regular old thumbnails. So what I do, because you want to have like a crisp background, contrasting colors, clear words, and usually a face of some kind. So this is my video. I can go through until I find a facial expression that I like. Maybe not that one. There was one with the hand up I saw before. Where was that? So I can go through looking for a nice, I'll take the words off. This is nice. So then Control 4. So I'm going to capture this, just a screenshot. So I'm screenshotting that. And then I'll go over, so I've got the screenshot. And this is, I actually put it in my browser because I use it all the time. So it's called photoscissors.com and it's free. So then I'll upload that image that I just took on my desktop. Where is it? This one. Okay, sometimes it works easier than others, so try to have the clearest shot you can find with the contrast in the back will be better. There you go, so that it's done. So it's free, then you can download for free in low resolution or purchase high res, but low res is enough, so I'll download low res and I'll stop at my download and I might select Trush transparent, Trush head transparent. Okay, I'll save that. And then I'll go over to Canva. So this is the template I have been using for the other videos. So this is the canva.com, which I'm sure you are familiar with. And if you're not, you can have this is the free version. I've tried Canva Pro before, but I wasn't really impressed with the added features because I still had to pay for the same sort of things that I wanted anyway. So make a copy. So always making a copy of that template because you're going to fiddle around with it so you've got the basic template. And remember we just did the head before. So I'll upload, go down to upload. That image from downloads. There we go, so I'll upload that. I'm going to get rid of this and it'll be called Trish. Hey, so I filled this out. Now I'm going to drag in the picture, but oops, I think I can flip this, flip horizontal. There we go. So then it's going to be on the right side. And there is I'm going to put this behind, so position backwards. So that means I've still got the border. Position backwards, 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 backwards. Look forward, too much. Okay, position forward, there. So you can do forward and backward till you get, so I've still got the border and I've got this lovely image now. So then I'll just download that. And this is going to be it. This is going to be finished. Trish, YouTube, thumbnail coach. I try to put as many keywords into the actual title as I can. So then if I'm searching for the thumbnail to put it somewhere else on another channel, whether it be LinkedIn or something, I'll be able to find it and use it. And back to our video, coach and business owner. Okay, here we go. So then we're going to edit the video. And we're starting to clean up the videos a little bit to give a bit more of a professional look. Okay, now we're going to upload the thumbnail. I'm actually embedding it, so I'm not trying to get subscribers on this channel. This channel is pretty much for using for embedding in website and things like that, and where to put my videos. So a lot of them are unlisted, but it's still in the description. It's worth looking at the ascension path of, in case someone does get to it, or if they do end up at your channel, they know your website, they know your LinkedIn, and ideally this would be great to have an actual lead magnet, like download the course list in exchange for the email, or download you know, how to get started with your business, or how to transform it, or watch this video series or something. That would be ideal. So I've just put this for now. Then we're putting up our thumbnail that I'm sure you all know how to do. And there's our thumbnail, and pretty much save. And then I'm going to go through and do that for all of them, just to clean up the channel and make it look a bit more professional. So the main things with that was the scissors. So this one that I wanted to show you is the photoscissors.com, how to basically screenshot an image or bring up an image and get the transparent background. Then you're uploading it to your Canva template and just cleaning up your YouTube channel, or wherever you're embedding the video. So I hope that was a few quick tips for today, and thank you. And keep on promoting your business online. And moving forward, if you're interested in what we do at Digital Entrepreneur, you can check us out at digitalentrepreneur.biz and send us a message on Facebook or LinkedIn, and we'll happy to schedule a call and look at how we can help transforming your business online. So thank you very much, and bye.